There are so many videos on the law of attraction. Some say this, some say that. The truth is, it's mostly all true. All of it. Which is pretty confusing. We live in a universe based off our beliefs. What we believe, we see. Our beliefs are molded by our past. Religious beliefs, health beliefs, money beliefs, all beliefs. Each belief is true, as it will manifest into your life. If you believe in ghosts, you'll see ghosts. If you don't, you probably won't. If you believe in money coming to you in abundance no matter what, it probably will. If you believe you're poor, it won't. If you believe that rubbing sand into your wound with a mixture of grass and river water will heal it, then it will. This is why placebo is so strong. How is it that we can take a sugar pill without knowing it and completely heal any disease? Because we live in a reality based off our beliefs. This is powerful. And I'll make another video about beliefs soon, but we just needed a support for what I'm going to say next. You hear me or some other person on YouTube say to do something. Sometimes those things contradict what the other says, and now everyone is confused. But both methods work, right? Why is that? It's belief. So let's talk about the law of attraction really quick. The law of attraction responds to your beliefs, period. That's it. So when you're trying to manifest something you want, your only job is to work on the belief towards it. If you want tons of money, you need to believe you have tons of money. Everything works in the now. This goes for anything you want, including health, happiness, or love. Now, here are some easy steps that if you follow correctly, you'll manifest anything you want, but you have to follow them. Step 1. Your desire. What is your desire? What do you want? Why do you want it? Is it something you really want, or is it something you want because someone else wants it and you're being a follower? Find something you, not someone else wants, but you want. Those desires manifest so much faster, but it's up to you. Step 2. Now that you have identified what you want, you must work on your belief on that desire. You do this by slowly reprogramming your subconscious for this desire. Take your phone and record your voice of talking about your desire. For example, I'm so happy that I have $40,000 a month of passive income. I love how secure I feel with my $40,000 a month passive income. You get the point? Just create subliminals personalized for your current desire. Then loop it and put it on the side of your bed or put headphones on. Listen to this every single night. Don't think about how long. When you think about how long, you are being in the rushed mindset. Just put them on like a habit and forget about them. Step 3. Every day, visualize your desire for at least 10 minutes, at least. This is your chance to live the life you want. Your brain doesn't know the difference if it's real or imagined, so have fun. Step 4. Repeat. Don't look for it. Don't doubt it. Don't think thoughts that contradict those. Sometimes they happen, but don't let them run your day. If you follow these 4 steps for however long it takes for you to manifest, well, you'll manifest. The problem is that people are so impatient. That makes sense, but it's also why people don't live the life that they want. So it's up to you. Be a victim or do what's necessary to change your life. Everything after these steps will be filled in by the universe. No need to figure out how you're going to get them done. But you will get inspiration for action, so don't ignore that.